Cut away. Beautifully played.
The swing was definitely there, but the length was not there. Too wide and short. Basat Ali, superb timing there. Excellent balance. Finds the gap for 4 runs.
Showed up a good length on that occasion. Basat Ali was ready for it, and he'll get 4.
Look at that. The weight transfer was there. He exactly knew where the gap was. Just 3 fielders on the leg side. Timed it well.
Threaded that one.
Excellent batting there. Munib Wasif erring on the fuller side this time. The result is same. 4 runs.
Miscued, but just over that fielder in mid-on. It runs away for 4.
It took the toe end of the bat, but still had the legs to clear the inner circle. Another boundary. 9 of the over in 4 deliveries. But they did well at the end, and that also goes for 4. Not really good fielding there.
Wasn't a bad delivery. It was on that good length region. Balled him. Again, the angle. No turn on offer.
An arm ball there, comes into the batter, takes the leg stump. Brilliant ball with the new ball for a left arm spinner.
Edged just to the left of the fielder in first slip.
The spinners have created these opportunities since morning, since today, this evening.
Oh, that's nicely played. That's not the length you want to be bowling with the seamers here. We've seen from the first innings. In total control at this moment.
Beautiful shot. As one of the best we've seen in the day.
Indeed, but it's shape into the right-hander. The length is wrong.
It's high in the air. There's an opportunity. It will take some catching. Oh, almost got there. Uh-oh. What happened there?
It's a good bouncer. Got onto him quickly. Good height. To force the top edge. It was always going to be difficult running back for the fielder. But his colleague, surely, has gone with one hand, taking his eyes off the ball.
Again, shorter length, and again put away.
As opposed to the bouncer that he bowled the ball before, which was deliberate.
Again, a good shot.
It's been an over that's been... That looks good, and it's out. Yeah, he looked like he was thinking of advancing, got stuck halfway down the wicket, and that struck him plumb in front of the off stump.
Really good from Afghanistan. Big shot, big welcome to the Afghan overseas player.
Irfan has cleared long on with ease.
Runs here, will use the pace on the ball, and I'll go for 4.
Ibrahim Masood, just a little deft touch at the ball wide of short third man.
Upish, this will also race away. He's got it fine enough.
Even just a little bit more width here. He wasn't looking to get it that fine, but he won't mind. Boundary to end the over, and also for wides. And opens the face wide of the man at short third man. It's going to run away again for a boundary.
This is just helping them. Got through and third man in. There's always going to be a chase for him.
Edge, and this will probably run away for another boundary.
Played it a bit away from his body. The third fielder was quite wider.
And hit away for a boundary.